Hey everyone, just want to go over the Quantower account summary plugin that I recently released. This was actually created a few months ago, but I just recently figured out how to use the native Quantower table system. So this is obviously a bunch of testing data, but you can see that it looks really nice, and I'm just going to go over how to install it. You can purchase the plugin from this link. I'll post it in the description of the video, but you can see that there's already been 13 sales and a lot of people really love it. It's a feature that's been missing from Quantower for a while, and I know that they are going to add something similar, but this is really meant for prop traders. As you can see on the left here, we have the firms as well as the account types so that you can filter and have a summary up top as well. So this is protected by your MAC address, and it's really simple how to get that. You can see there's a list of supported firms here, and then there's a changelog at the bottom. So um, the most recent file, once you purchase, you'll download a zip file. It's going to be called accounts plugin accounts plugin.zip, and what you want to do is extract, and you want to go to your Quantower folder. So mine is installed on my desktop. You just go to Quantower, settings, scripts, plugins, and select this folder and extract. And you want to have it in an accounts plugin folder. So this is what the final directory should look like. It should look something like this. So now when you launch Quantower, the plugin should show up. It should be in the informational section, and the little icon will be ACS, and it should be called Accounts Summary. And just to reiterate, Quantower needs to be closed during this installation process. It's just how it works with plugins. Um, but you can see here, right here, account summary in the informational section, and I favorited it so it shows up here. Um, and it's just going to connect to my Thrive trading accounts. And you can see that it shows up. So one thing to note is that when you first launch your plugin, it will be blank. So there's not going to be anything populating these tables because you haven't, I haven't added your license yet on my end. And so to get those MAC addresses, one easy thing to do is to open the event log. So over here, you just open up event log, make sure that the system one is checked, and then when you launch account summary, you can see the event log gets populated with a bunch of messages. If you scroll down a little bit, there will be this message that says it's checking along with a list of MAC addresses, and you can just right click, copy this message and send it to me, and then I can add it from my end. Another thing you'll see is all of these search keys, and these are the search keys that the plugin is searching for to map the certain firms as well as the account types to the accounts that are connected. and I don't currently have all the different, accounts for every single type of firm. So I'm working on adding support for all of them. But what's really cool is I can just add these keys remotely. As you can see, it says fetching type mappings from remote source, and that's just a file that I can keep, and it will update for anyone that launches the plugin. So if there's anything missing, if the firm says unknown, or if your account type isn't showing up, just let me know and I can work with you to get it showing up as it should on the plugin. As always, if there's anything that you'd like to add, feel free to reach out to me. The most recent features, this locking that, as you can see, like it locks and unlocks my accounts when user requests this, just for easy access and to um, see see which accounts are unlocked, as well as if I go to my account here and give it like a custom name, and then uh, toggle this custom names, you can see that the custom name shows up here. And then one other thing is just how to adjust the settings for the plugin. By default, these numbers won't be colored, but what you can do is right click on the table you want to change the settings for. So if it's the summary table, you right click the summary table, and you can go to the columns here and change this coloring mode by sign. So if it's done, then you can see that nothing shows up. But if I do it by sign, it'll change by sign. You can pretty much customize anything you want here, which is really, really great. You can remove columns and resize everything like that. Just one thing is to make sure after you've landed on a configuration that you like, go ahead and set as default, and it will save your settings. I think that's about it. Thanks to anyone who is supporting and purchasing this plugin. Yeah, thank you so much.